Callum here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Clover Club. But before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with all of our new content. The Clover Club can be traced back to the late 1800s, to the Bellevue Stratford Hotel in Philadelphia. This venue was a hotspot for anyone from writers to high rollers, and a favourite tipple of the regulars of this bar was the Clover Club. However, as with many pre-Prohibition cocktails, its popularity faded throughout the 20th century and its recipe almost forgotten. Until 2008, when industry legend Julie Reiner set up her New York neighborhood cocktail bar called Clover Club as a testament to this drink, bringing the cocktail back to life and back onto the tongues of the cocktail drinker. As you can imagine, this drink has been a staple on their menu ever since. Nowadays, the cocktail is spread across the world and is a must-know for any good quality cocktail bartender. It's fruity and delicious, and with that egg white giving a lovely silky texture to the drink, it is nearly always a crowd pleaser. Now, let's get into it. So what we're going to need to make this drink is some gin, some dry vermouth, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, raspberry syrup, egg white, and some raspberries. We're going to dry shake, shake, and fine strain this cocktail into a Nick and Nora glass, which we're going to chill now. We're going to get our shakers up and put our ingredients in. So firstly, what we're going to put in is some gin. We're going to do 50 milliliters of gin. We're next going to have 10 milliliters of dry vermouth, 20 milliliters of lemon juice, 10 milliliters of raspberry syrup, 10 milliliters of egg white, and a couple of raspberries for good measure, just to keep it nice and fruity. There it goes. So firstly, what we're going to do is shake this without ice, and this is going to mix around the ingredients, break up the raspberries, and activate the egg white. Now we're going to add in our ice to incorporate the dilution and chill the drink. Break it open. We're going to taste it just to make sure the dilution and the balance is perfect. Oh, so good, so good. So now that we're happy with the drink, what we're going to do is remove the ice from the Nick and Nora and fine strain. So we're going to garnish this drink with a couple of raspberries. And there you have it, a Clover Club. Enjoy.